1, 2, 3, 4. Yeehaw! Welcome to this episode of Watch Braptastic Fall on His Ass. Howdy folks, Braptastic here. Scared shitless, but having a ball nonetheless. So, in case you couldn't tell, this is my first time riding deep sand like this. And this isn't even particularly deep. It's kind of heavy and wet. I'm on stock tires. They suck. Come on, baby. Come on. Weight back, throttle cranked. Yeah, there we go. Holy shit. I am gonna die today, I'm sure of it. This is my last will and testament. My wife gets everything. Yeah. Woo. Oh, it even dropped into neutral. How nice. Thank you. Well, let's go play some more. Man, I have got to get a drone that will track me. Man, this shit is hard work. But it is a blast. Whew. Yep, totally out of shape. Holy God, I'm getting old and fat. Holy shit. Holy fuck, I'm gonna die. Yeah, totally gonna die. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's actually a really nice little area here, a little off-road area. Big open sand, a little bit of water in the bottom. Lots of trees around. This is the joy of working night shift and riding a dual sport. I got off work at 5 o'clock this morning, rode 30 clicks on the highway, and now I'm here. having fun. Beat everybody out. Mind you, it is a Wednesday morning, so I don't know how many people are going to be out here at 5:30 on a Wednesday morning. Obviously not many.